Hello everyone. Today our video is about how you can screen record with a free software that is really customizable. I do a lot of tutorials for myself and the courses that I sell, but I always struggled. But one day, like somebody actually showed me this software which is completely free. It's called ApowerSoft by ApowerSoft. It's a completely free software, highly customizable, and it's very easy to use. So all you can see, let me give you a little demo. Since I'm using this software right now, it's recording my tutorial, so I cannot turn it on and show you how you can customize. But let me explain what are the features you can enjoy. So this allows you to customize the screen size. So it's similar like selecting a portion. So if you select this portion, this is the only portion it's going to record. So but right now I have selected the entire screen, so it's recording the entire screen. So you cannot see my the bottom panel on my desktop where the volume or the date and time. So because I did not select that part, so you can see how easy it is. And there are a lot of options that you can enjoy. You can do dual recording, like your screen will be recorded. Also, you can turn on the webcam as well. Also, you can do some artwork. Bam. Oops. Let's say this one. So you can do some artwork and you can just erase it. And let's have a look at the features. So this is, you can see this bar is, you can pause the video at any time. You can turn down the volume anytime. You can stop the volume recording at any time, and it allows you to do a MP4, WebM, any kind of video file that you want to download. It's zero processing time. Once you just select MP4, it's going to download as MP4. It allows you to unlimited video recording time, and you can see in the video there is no watermark. But this video software I installed and download for free. There's a thing that you have to do in order to enjoy all these features. All you have to do once you download this software, and you have to use your valid email address to sign up. That's all it asks. It doesn't ask your name or anything. It's just allows you to, ask for your either social sign up or your email address to sign up. All you have to do is just type in your email address and create a password, and bam, you start your video recording. So where you can download this software. So I actually made an arrangement for everybody so you can download it. So once you go to this link, learn.com/resources, I'll put in the video description below, so you can come to this website and get it free downloaded. All you have to do is just click this button. There will be a zip file. Download it, unzip it, double click the URL. Let me see. There it is. So this is the file. So double click it. It's going to start. It's going to ask for your email address to sign up, and this is it's going to start your installation. So that's how simple it is. So I'm enjoying it. I'm loving this one. Thank you so much, ApowerSoft, for letting us use this software. And don't worry, this thing is movable. So I can put it down right here. Now you cannot see that. So this is the best software you can do. So all I'm asking, just come to my website and download the software and use it. It's completely free. I don't own this software. I just have permission to let you download from my website. That's it. So that's all. So don't come to the link in the description below to download this software. for those who are trying to make courses or tutorials, this is the best thing you can have in your life. Trust me. And that's all. Thank you.